go over using Reader View using Safari on the iPad. So you do have to be in Safari, not in Google Chrome. And if you open up a web page that has an article or something you want students to read, if Reader View is available, you will see this symbol in the web bar. And so that is how you turn on Reader View. So if I tap that, it'll open up this menu here. Some new features with the iOS 18 update. This is how you would turn on Reader View. You would say show reader. And what's nice is this will get rid of all the extra distractions. So the ads, any extra links where it's asking you to sign in or anything like that. This is based on my settings, but you can change your settings by tapping that same area. Now it's in Reader View and it'll open up the Reader View settings. So the first thing I want to talk about is you can change the background color. So if you don't like reading on a dark screen, you can make it lighter. So pick whichever background works for you. You can change the font. And so you can pick whatever font is easiest for you to read. I tend to stay in San Francisco. A new update is they have listen to page. So if I tap that, it'll start reading out loud.
1. Reading the introduction to Animal Farm by Christopher Hitchens a few years ago, I was stunned to learn that George Orwell, then a struggling writer in London, worked by letter.
And when you have listen to page turned on, you will be able to pause it by hitting the same menu. You can rewind, fast forward, you can even change the speed that it reads. You can also change the font size. So I can hit that bigger A here to make it bigger. I can make it smaller by hitting the smaller A. If I tap that same menu, this is where I can search for a word. So if I want to find something, since you don't have a keyboard for Command F, I could type in whatever word I'm looking for. So if I want to search for Orwell, and then I can tap these arrows here to find all of the times that it says Orwell. And then you can also save this as a PDF. So if I hit the arrow or the box with the arrow going up and scroll down, I can mark it up and save it as a PDF. So I can annotate this for my students. So I could highlight, we're talking about Animal Farm here. And then if I hit done, it'll give me the option to save the file or delete the PDF. So if I want to save my file to my iCloud Drive, I would just hit Save File To, or if I want to delete it, or I could just immediately from there hit that share button and airdrop it to students. When you are done with Reader View, you would just tap that Reader View icon and then tap on Hide Reader, and it goes back to the original web page. And that's how you use Reader View on the iPad.